Today we will be making chicken lettuce wraps. First, you will need 1 head of lettuce chopped, and make sure to keep your fingers out of the way as you're cutting. Wash the lettuce and set out to dry. In a hot skillet, you'll add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 pound of ground chicken or tofu. You will then add 2 cloves of garlic minced and 1/2 onion diced. After cooking the chicken thoroughly, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon rice wine vinegar and a 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce. Stir until everything is coated evenly. Put 2 scoops of chicken on each piece of lettuce. To each lettuce wrap, add a pinch of sesame seeds and diced green onions. Enjoy with your family or friends.